can tell we're in the right place, but who knows where it will be. Will you help me look? I think there might be something up here. I think I found something. It's a treasure chest. Wow! Hello, friends. I'm Dash the Adventurer, the world's greatest treasure hunter. I love going on epic adventures to find super cool treasures. I got a great idea. You want to come with me today? Let's do it. All right. Well, we're seeking an adventure, and I've got a clue that we'll get us started on our way. Check it out. With a click and a clack and a gravity slide, I turn stored up energy into a wild downhill ride. With a click and a clack. Clickety clack, clickety clack, click. I like the sound of that. But what a mystery. A downhill ride. It seems to me we should think about energy and keep an eye out for a hill. What do you say we go look for one? Let's do it! All right, adventurers. What a view! This is a fantastic vantage point. From here, we might spot any number of clues. Help me to choose. What did I bring that would help us to spot some clues that are far away? My binoculars. Let's see what we see. Ooh, there's some very nice palm trees, and look at those cranes by the port. There's a beach house. I wonder if lifeguards hang out there. And over here, ooh, check out that tractor. I love it. There's an island, a mysterious thing. Oh, look at that path. What do you think? Is it going downhill? I think so too. Let's go check it out. Great job, adventurers. We're here at a hill. This is definitely downhill. I think if we look, we may find a clue nearby. Will you help me look? Nothing there. Here's some wood chips, some giant rocks. There's some grass over that way. Hey, look back there. Look at that bright blue. Ooh, what a cool blue ball. I've got an idea for how we could use this ball. I want to tell you about a force called gravity. Did you ever think that when I jump up in the air, I don't just keep flying upward? The force called gravity pulls us back down. What about with this ball? If I let it go, will it rise or will it fall? So gravity is the force that pulls us down. I just remembered our clue. It talks about a downhill adventure. I think we're supposed to take this ball and send it down the hill and see where it will lead us. All right, adventurers. I wonder what will happen. Let's do it. Gravity is causing the ball to pick up speed. I hope we can keep up with it. It's going around the corner. Man, it's going fast. We better keep going. The ball is heading for the stairs. It went off the edge. Let's go see where it went. I think the ball is here. What a wild downhill ride. Hang on. I think the ball led us to something. Look at this. It's part of a marble run. You ever played with a marble run? Let's go check it out. Great job, adventurers. We found the first part to a marble run and a sweet marble to try out. Let's take a look at what we found. Ooh, look at this twisty thing that goes up the clear tube. I noticed too, this switch. If I turn it on, what do you think will happen? Ooh, this corkscrew begins to turn. Take another look. Do you see this hole? I think our marble will fit right in. Let's see. Look, the marble is rising with the corkscrew. As the marble rises, it gains what's called potential energy. What do you think will happen when the ball reaches the top? The marble dropped. Do you remember the name of the force that caused the marble to drop? Gravity. You know what, adventurers? I think this is just the first piece to a marble run. If we continue on our adventure, maybe we'll find the rest of the parts. Let's get going. Adventurers, take a look at this playground. What an excellent place to explore gravity. And maybe we'll find some clues. What a great place to look for parts. What a sweet slide. I just thought, here's a real-life example of how gravity helps us to use our energy to go down. Let's give it a go. Woo! You seen me move downhill? Hang on, we're looking for clues. Will you help me look for one right now? Let's look around. There's a lot of sand. Holy cow! This looks like another part of the marble run. Let's go try it out. All right, adventurers. I can't wait to see how our new part works. Let's do it. Wow! Did you see the marble race down the stairs? It got faster and faster. The potential energy became kinetic energy. All right. I wonder what parts we're going to find next. Let's go. All right, adventurers. I love our new purple piece. What did you think of that click, clack, as it went down the little staircase? Reminded me of our clue, click, clack. Oh, what a great day of exploring energy we're having. Speaking of energy, this is an excellent opportunity to explore energy too. This exercise equipment is something I can use. Now remember, if you're a kid, you should only use exercise equipment with permission and accompaniment of a trusted adult. But let me give this a go. This will be super fun. Ooh. What do you think of all that swinging? There's lots of potential energy going on. You know what this reminds me of? Is a clock. Have you ever seen a grandfather clock with a pendulum that swings down beneath? My legs are a pendulum right now. Look at all that gravitational force. Oh, all right, adventurers. I wonder if we might find another piece to our marble run. Let's take a look. Oh. Why'd you stop? Did you find something? You did! Great job, adventurers. I wonder what this piece will do. Wow! I can't wait to go attach it to our marble run. Let's go! All right, adventurers. I think that this piece might support this piece. Watch. See? Now, I think this piece will connect here. So many cool things. Let's put in the marble. There goes the marble. Ooh. I love that funnel piece. Why do you think the marble continued going around and round in circles? All that speed needed somewhere to go. All right, adventurers, let's find more parts to our marble run. Let's go. All right, adventurers, look what we found. It's another piece. I'd call this a loop-de-loop. If the marble drops in here to go down here and do a spin, kind of like this shape here. I can't wait to try it out. Let's not forget this piece. Let's go. All right, adventurers. I think it will work again to have a support and a piece. Let's give it a go. And I'll bet this will attach to the funnel. Ooh. Put in our marble. Ooh, look at it race down. There's the funnel. And it drops. Oh, do you see that loop-de-loop? When it got down there, there was so much energy that it was able to flip around and continue on its way. Wow. All right, adventurers, more parts to find. Let's go. Ooh, look at this rail. You know what it reminds me of? A marble run. Just think if my hand were like a marble and zooming on down the track. Zoom! That would be epic, wouldn't it? Did you find something? Oh, good eye, adventurers! Check it out! Look at the little hill that's part of this piece. And I wonder if this might be an epic conclusion to our marble run. Let's go give it a try. All right, adventurers, I'm very excited. I think this may complete our marble run. We've got these two pieces. I suspect that this will be like a ski jump, and the ball will launch. Then we'll see if we can catch the marble with our final piece. You think we can do it? Let's try. I'm not sure where to place this. I'll do my best. Let's put in the marble. And down it goes. Descends the funnel. Through the loop-de-loop and oh! We did it! Did you see that jump? Holy cow! I got a great idea. What do you say we try with a whole group of marbles? What do you think will happen? Ho-ho! Oh man, adventurers, We've loaded so many marbles into our machine. What do you think will happen when they all begin their descent? So much energy changing form. Ooh, multiple marbles in one spot. Look at them go. Oh, they're bouncy, our marbles. Ooh, we got that one too. Nailed it. Oh. Look at them race down the marble run. This has been so much fun that I almost forgot. We're hunting for a treasure. I think we need direction. You know what that means? We should use the magic compass. Now remember, the magic will only work if we move around. It's working! Let's go! Ooh, look at it move! This way. It knows right where we should go. Ooh. Woo-hoo! Up, 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 up. Yeah. I can tell we're in the right place, but who knows where it will be. Will you help me look? I think there might be something up here. I think I found something. It's a treasure chest. Wow! Check it out, adventurers! Look at these epic marbles! Each one, this one, is beautiful. What a work of art. It's dappled with green, light blue, dark blue, scarlet, orange. It's lovely. Check out this beautiful striped marble and all the little bubbles inside. The games we could play with these marbles. Check out the yellow marble. It's beautiful, little glints of gold. What an epic treasure. Great job, adventurers. Great job, adventurers. What a wonderful adventure we've had. We learned about gravity, potential, and kinetic energy, and we found a sweet marble run. The world is full of amazing things to discover. Do you want to go on another adventure with me? Make sure that you like and subscribe so you know when we're off on our next journey. All right. I'm Dash the Adventurer. D-A-S-H. Can you say that with me? D-A-S-H. I can't wait to go on my next adventure with you.